Welcome back to Jabs and Journeys. I'm Danal, and today we are here with...
Dewald.
So, Devil, tell me, were you not good enough as a boxer, so you became a coach?
Skip.
How did you get into coaching?
I was invited to a tournament by one of my old boxing friends that used to box with me as an amateur. He's currently one of the coaches at our club, and I attended the boxing tournament, and the fire ignited in me again, and yes, I became involved in coaching.
Coach, how do you build the fighter's IQ?
I think there's, from what I believe, is there's a couple of things that you can build on or advise on the IQ side of boxing and how to think inside a ring. But I believe boxing IQ is one of strong points or a talent that a boxer is born with.
Personally, what is one thing a boxer should know before stepping into a gym?
That boxing is a contact sport and a full contact sport, and that you are going to get punched. You're not only going to be doing the punching, but you're going to be punched back.
What is one thing that modern boxing is lacking?
Discipline. I think discipline in the boxing club and discipline towards the coach. Simple things like being on time. When we start at 5, be at the club at 5.
Coach, how do you build knockout power?
I believe you can build power in a boxer's punches, but I personally think that the ability to knock out, I've seen when I was a boxer, I've seen it started at a young age. I think it's also comes back to ring IQ. It's a talent that a boxer has. He knows how to use his body, not always strength, just knows how to use his body and how to time his punches perfect.
Coach, how did you get into boxing?
Yeah, ek weet nie mens. Dit was baie swaar gekry, ek moes fight vir brood by die skool. I watched the fight with my father. My father used to like watching boxing, and I got up one morning early and watched the fight. I think it was one of Oscar de la Hoya's fights, and I fell in love with boxing, yes. And that's how I started.
Coach, what is your favorite boxing movie?
I'm not a big fan of boxing movies because they always overdo it in the movies, like the Rocky movie or some of the Ali movies. But one of my favorites, I'm not sure if it's a movie or a documentary, is a documentary of Muhammad Ali in the preparation of the fight against George Foreman, the famous Rumble in the Jungle, and it's called When We Were Young.
If you could train with any fighter in history, who would it be?
I've got a few. I've got a
Name them.
South African favorite would be Brian Mitchell, one of my favorites. And then from the other side of the ocean, it would be, in the modern day, it would be Canelo. And the old boxers, I liked Sugar Ray Leonard.
Nee, ek hou van Hackie Butler.